crisp, the color, the flavor, every detail is engineered.
That first crispy bite is the final step in a process that began on a potato farm.
McDonald's maintains strict standards to ensure the same taste everywhere in America.
Welcome inside our fries factory. Today, I'm showing you exactly how McDonald's famous French fries are made, from fresh potatoes to crispy perfection.
Every day, millions of potatoes enter this huge American factory to become the world's most famous fries. It all begins with fresh, premium potatoes harvested from vast potato fields across the United States. As soon as the trucks arrive, the potatoes enter the receiving belts, where the journey officially starts. Powerful air jets blow off dust and soil, preparing the potatoes for deeper cleaning. Next, they enter a long washing tunnel, where rotating brushes clean every inch of their surface.
This rotating drum washer removes mud, debris, and imperfections with industrial precision.
Now the clean potatoes enter one of the factory's most advanced systems, optical sorting.
Artificial intelligence scans every potato hundreds of times, instantly rejecting anything below quality standards.
Perfectly timed air bursts remove the potatoes that don't make the cut. Only the best potatoes continue forward to become McDonald's famous fries. Inside this powerful steam peeler, the skins are loosened in just a few seconds. A sudden burst of pressure removes the peel cleanly without damaging the potato. High-pressure water polishes the peeled potatoes to prepare them for precision cutting. Now the potatoes are ready for one of the most important steps, cutting.
Steel blades, sharpened to perfection, shape the potatoes into the famous McDonald's fry size.
In milliseconds, high-pressure jets force potatoes through the blades, creating flawless fry strips. The freshly cut fries fall onto conveyors, starting to look like the fries we all know.
Sorting rollers remove short pieces, ensuring uniform length and consistency.
A gentle rinse removes surface starch, helping the fries cook evenly.
Next, the fries enter a hot blanching tunnel that sets their color and softens the interior.
Inside the blanching tunnel, carefully controlled steam cooks the fries just enough to lock in their signature color. This gentle steam helps create the golden look McDonald's fries are famous for. When the blanching is complete, the fries exit the tunnel warm and ready for the next transformation. Powerful fans instantly cool the fries, preparing them for their signature coating step. This step adjusts the fry's surface so the next layer sticks perfectly. A light mix of starch and dextrose is prepared to give fries a uniform golden exterior. As the fries move forward, they pass beneath a coating curtain that enhances their final crispiness. Any extra coating is removed instantly to maintain perfect texture. The coated fries now enter a warm air drying tunnel to set the outer layer. Inside the tunnel, controlled heat ensures the fries stay crisp outside, yet soft inside. Once dried, the fries emerge ready for their first fry. And yes, McDonald's fries are cooked twice. Here, thousands of gallons of specially filtered oil are kept at precise temperature. As the fries enter the hot oil, bubbles instantly form, cooking the outer layer. This quick fry creates that iconic exterior crunch Americans love.
After just seconds, the fries are lifted out before they become fully cooked.
A gentle vibration removes extra oil to keep the fries light and consistent. Powerful fans cool the fries again to prepare them for freezing.
A human inspection team adds an extra layer of quality control before freezing. The fries then travel into a massive spiral freezer, where they're frozen instantly.
Inside the blast freezer, frigid air locks in freshness and preserves the fries for shipment. After freezing, the fries exit chilled to perfection and ready for precision sorting. Here the fries spread out so every piece can be inspected with incredible accuracy. Every fry is flash chilled to -18 degrees, locking in texture before shipment.
Multiple conveyor streams merge at the central packaging hub, ready for the final stages of preparation. Robotic arms carefully spread the freshly frozen fries, preventing clumping as they move toward the final safety checks. Every batch passes through a highly sensitive metal detector, a mandatory safety step in all major U.S. food factories.
Multiple AI-powered cameras analyze the color of each fry, rejecting any that look too dark, too light, or slightly bruised. Real-time software tracks quality metrics second by second, ensuring only the most consistent fries continue down the line.
Then an industrial X-ray system scans for anything invisible to the human eye, from tiny stones to internal potato defects.
If even a trace is detected, the system rejects the entire tray instantly. Fries are then split into multiple packaging lines using an automated diverter that keeps the flow constant and efficient. Sorting machines measure each load to guarantee perfect, consistent bag weights. Frozen fries now funnel toward the final stage: automatic bagging. A large stainless steel hopper feeds each packaging unit with perfectly measured amounts of frozen fries. This vertical packager shapes the bag, fills it, and heat seals it in one motion. Heat bars instantly seal each bag shut, locking the fries inside and protecting their crispness. Sensors verify every seal is airtight, so no frost builds inside later. A vacuum system removes extra air, keeping the fries protected during storage and transport. Bags are labeled with time, date, and trace codes, required for nationwide shipping. High-speed check weighers confirm every bag meets McDonald's exact weight standards. Bags travel toward the cartoning area, where they'll be boxed for shipment. A case erector builds strong boxes that will carry fries across the country. Robotic packers load bags with zero human contact to keep hygiene perfect. A final scan confirms the box weight and labeling before sealing. High-speed tape sealers close each box with perfect precision.
Finally, each pallet is shrink-wrapped for safe, temperature-controlled transportation.
Here, thousands of frozen fry boxes are stored until trucks arrive to pick them up.
Forklifts load the pallets into refrigerated trucks, keeping the fries frozen the entire time. Every truck leaving the plant is GPS tracked, ensuring each delivery arrives on time and at the correct temperature.
These frozen French fry shipments travel hundreds of miles across the U.S. every single night.
Inside the trailer, temperatures stay below freezing, preventing any thawing or texture loss. Shipments first arrive at McDonald's regional distribution centers, where products are organized for restaurant delivery.
As soon as pallets are unloaded, workers verify the temperature to ensure the fries stayed fully frozen.
Pallets are sorted and grouped based on which restaurants are scheduled for delivery.
An automated system logs each pallet, maintaining perfect inventory control across hundreds of stores. The fries are stored in massive deep freezers until it's time for local restaurant delivery.
Smaller refrigerated trucks handle the final delivery to McDonald's restaurants.
Early in the morning, shipments arrive at local McDonald's restaurants across America.
Employees unload the boxes and move them into the store's walk-in freezer. The fries stay stored here, completely frozen, until cooking time. When an order period begins, staff pull out fresh boxes to prepare for the rush. Each bag is opened fresh and poured into stainless steel fry bins.
The frozen fries are poured into fryer baskets, still in perfect shape thanks to careful processing.
In just a few minutes, they transform into the crispy golden fries everyone knows.
Workers shake off excess oil to maintain the perfect texture.
Next comes the signature McDonald's salt blend, applied at the perfect moment for ideal absorption. Employees scoop the fries into McDonald's iconic red fry cartons with practiced speed. Each carton is placed under gentle warming lights to keep fries hot but never soggy.
These fries are quickly paired with burgers, nuggets, and drinks for customer orders. That first crispy bite is the final step in a process that began on a potato farm.
From farm to factory to fryer, every step is built for consistency and safety. McDonald's maintains strict standards to ensure the same taste everywhere in America.
But it all begins here, in America's potato heartland.
Every season, farmers harvest millions of potatoes destined for McDonald's kitchens.
And that's how McDonald's French fries are made, from farm to factory to your tray.
Another day ends in the factory, but the system never truly stops. Across America, these factories work around the clock to meet demand. The crisp, the color, the flavor, every detail is engineered.
If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.